Habits not only enhance our own life but also make us more appealing to others. So without further ado, let's get started. Habit 1. Dressing well. Dressing well is more than just putting on clothes. It's about making a statement and leaving a lasting impression. When you take the time to dress well, you show that you care about your appearance and take pride in your personal presentation. Paying attention to grooming details, such as grooming your hair and nails, and investing in quality clothing that fits you well, sends a message of self-respect and attention to detail. Moreover, dressing appropriately for different occasions demonstrates social awareness and respect for the people you interact with. Whether it's a formal event or a casual outing, choosing the right attire shows that you understand the importance of context and know how to adapt to different situations. A well-dressed man exudes sophistication and charm, effortlessly commanding attention and respect in any setting. Habit 2. Practicing good hygiene. Practicing good hygiene is not only crucial for your health but also plays a significant role in your overall attractiveness and confidence. Maintaining a regular grooming routine demonstrates self-care and respect for yourself and others. Showering daily, trimming your nails, and keeping your hair neat and clean are basic hygiene practices that help you look and feel your best. Additionally, paying attention to details such as fresh breath and clean, healthy skin further enhances your appeal. Brushing your teeth regularly, using mouthwash, and flossing contribute to good oral hygiene, ensuring that your smile is bright and your breath is fresh. Similarly, using skincare products suited to your skin type helps keep your complexion clear and radiant, boosting your confidence. People are naturally drawn to those who take care of themselves, making good hygiene an essential habit for social and professional success. Habit 3. Engaging in regular physical activity or sports. When you prioritize staying active, whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or participating in sports, you demonstrate your commitment to maintaining a fit and healthy body. Regular exercise not only helps you stay in shape but also improves your overall health and vitality. It strengthens your muscles, increases flexibility and endurance, and enhances cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Physical activity also releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which boost your mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Moreover, engaging in sports or physical activities fosters a sense of camaraderie and teamwork, allowing you to connect with others who share similar interests. Habit 4. Maintaining a clean and organized living space. A cluttered and messy environment can create unnecessary stress, overwhelm, and even impact your mental health. By making it a habit to keep your home clean and organized, you create a serene and welcoming atmosphere that not only reflects positively on you, but also enhances your quality of life. Tidying up regularly, doing laundry, and decluttering your space are all essential components of maintaining a clean and organized living environment. Adopting these habits ensures that your home remains neat, tidy, and visually appealing, making it a more pleasant and comfortable place to live in. When your surroundings are clutter-free and well-organized, you can focus better, think more clearly, and accomplish tasks with greater ease. Habit 5. Setting and working towards personal goals. Setting and working towards personal goals is a hallmark of ambition, drive, and self-motivation, all of which are undeniably attractive qualities. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve in life, whether it's advancing in your career, pursuing personal growth, or nurturing meaningful relationships, you demonstrate a sense of purpose and determination that is inherently appealing to others. Meaningful goals provide you with direction and motivation, guiding your actions and decisions towards the fulfillment of your aspirations. They give you something to strive for and a sense of accomplishment when you make progress towards them. Whether your goals are big or small, the act of setting them and taking steps to achieve them reflects positively on your character and mindset. Ultimately, setting and working towards personal goals not only brings satisfaction to your own life, but also enhances your attractiveness and influence in the eyes of others. Habit 6. Cooking nutritious meals. Mastering the art of cooking nutritious meals is not only beneficial for your health, but also adds to your attractiveness and self-sufficiency. When you prioritize cooking healthy and delicious meals, you showcase your culinary skills and demonstrate your ability to take care of yourself and others. Preparing nutritious meals involves selecting fresh, whole ingredients and using cooking methods that retain their nutritional value. By cooking at home, you have control over the ingredients you use, allowing you to create balanced and wholesome dishes that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. Cooking for yourself and others is an act of self-care and generosity that fosters connections and strengthens relationships. Whether you're preparing meals for yourself, family, or friends, the effort and thoughtfulness you put into creating delicious and nutritious dishes are appreciated and admired by those around you. There you have it, gentlemen. 6 attractive habits that every man should learn to enhance their personal and social appeal. Incorporate these habits into your daily life and watch as your confidence and attractiveness soar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal development and self-improvement. Until next time.